MCP is an emerging open protocol focused on making AI assistance interaction with external data simpler and more standardized. It's gaining significant attention in AI communities. PingBell is a cloud based platform that delivers real time push notifications to your devices whenever key events occur on your website or app, such as new order, form submission, or payments. It helps keep your team informed and motivated by providing instant alerts with customizable sounds and messages. With viaSocket, you can quickly and easily connect PingBell MCP without any coding. In this tutorial, we will show you how, with the help of Claude AI Assistant, you can create orders in your Shopify store and notify your team via PingBell. In this video, we will learn how to connect PingBell MCP using viaSocket. Let's begin by login and navigate to your workspace dashboard. Select the desired workspace and click on MCP server. Click on Create New to generate a secure MCP endpoint. Give the desired name to your MCP endpoint. Once created, your unique MCP URL will be displayed. Now choose the action you want your AI assistant to perform. Here I am selecting Create Order on Shopify. Now click on Connect to Shopify. To establish the connection, you will need the name of your shop. You can find the domain shop name in this URL. Copy it and paste it into the required field. Once the connection is established, you need to configure the field, or you can choose Fill with AI to get dynamic responses. The choice is entirely yours. And click on Create to activate your action. In the same manner, configure the PingBell action. Notify PingBell. To connect to PingBell, you need an auth key. To get the auth key, go to the settings dashboard of PingBell and copy the key. Paste the copied auth key and establish the connection. After successfully configuring both actions, go to the Connect tab and select your AI assistant from the available options. In this case, I chose Claude AI. Now, copy the JSON code. Go to Claude AI, open the Claude settings, and now click on the Developer tab to edit the config. Paste the copied JSON into the MCP config file. Paste the copied JSON into the MCP config file. Click on the New Chat. Your tools are now successfully configured to be called from Claude AI. Now give the simple prompt like create an order in Shopify store and notify my team for the same via PingBell. Click on the Run MCP tool to perform the action. From the Claude AI, your order is successfully created in your Shopify store and your team get notified for the same. See how easy it is. Connect it now and let your AI do work for you in a simple, fast and hassle-free way. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more automation tutorials.